This video provides a case digest of People v. XXX, a landmark Supreme Court en banc decision from February 18, 2025, penned by Associate Justice Antonio T. Ko Jr., which addresses significant issues in criminal procedure and penal law. This ruling is significant as it defines the scope of appellate review, clarifies the doctrine on double jeopardy, and interprets the requirements for spontaneous desistance under Article 6 of the revised Penal Code. The court established key legal doctrines, affirming that an appeal by the accused waives double jeopardy rights, overruling the balloon sat precedent, and setting strict requirements for spontaneous desistance. The factual background involves two incidents from 2013, a charge of rape and a charge of attempted rape. The lower courts had erroneously ruled that the second incident constituted spontaneous desistance. This table compares the rulings across different court levels. While the lower courts found the accused guilty of unjust vexation for the second incident, the Supreme Court modified this to attempted rape. Regarding the first incident of rape, the court found the victim's testimony credible, supported by medical evidence of hymenal lacerations, and rejected the accused's alibi, noting his moral ascendancy over the victim. The court further examined the scope of judicial review, specifically why an appeal of a criminal conviction permits the re-evaluation of the entire case. The court ruled that by filing an appeal, an accused waives their double jeopardy protection. The appellate court is empowered to review the entire record, potentially correcting errors and increasing penalties as necessary. In this decision, the court explicitly overruled People v. Balloon Sat. The new doctrine confirms that when an appeal is voluntary, the court may correct lower court errors, including imposing higher penalties. On the issue of spontaneous desistance, the court clarified that stopping an act due to external physical resistance does not qualify. Because the attack ended only after the victim fought back, it remained attempted rape. This timeline outlines the case progression from the 2013 incidents and the initial RTC judgment through the Court of Appeals affirmation to the final 2025 Supreme Court ruling. To summarize, this ruling serves as a vital clarification on the risks of appealing a criminal conviction and reinforces the strict legal criteria for what constitutes spontaneous desistance. The images used in this video were sourced from Vecteezy and AB posters.